Today's video is going to be kind of like a follow-up video to a video I've done in the past. It's been probably 4 or 5 years or better since I've done this video, but it's a frequently asked question that I get in the comments section. So I want to be able to make this video and then tag it in that video to where people can get a little more information. And the question I get is, it was on a replacing the instrument cluster light bulbs in a early 2000s model Toyota Tacoma. Now I also showed them there where you could change the light bulbs in the climate control panel that's aside of the instrument cluster, and it had them Toyota part numbers on there, but I didn't have anything showing the part number for the instrument cluster illumination bulbs. The reason because that is that they're just a standard 194 automotive bulb, just 194. It's the ones from Toyota, some models, they have like a little boot over them. It's a light filter. The ones that I took out were orange, and the customer that owned the vehicle didn't want that orange color in their instrument cluster no more. They just wanted it white. So I just replaced them with number 194 light bulbs. Now I think there's some that you can get from Toyota that the light it'll be the same light bulb, but it had that boot already installed on it, that little filter. I think there's some models, some trim levels, they're orange, some that are like a greenish blue color, but up under them it's just this 194 light bulb. Toyota, I believe, when I was working on that vehicle, when I was getting them other bulbs and stuff, when I priced them, they wanted $7 or $8 a piece for these little light bulbs. And you can go in the auto parts store and buy like a 2-pack for a couple dollars. You can go to a lot of auto parts stores, they have bulk boxes of them and sell you per piece. I think at mechanics cost, I get these things at like 99 cents a piece versus $7 a piece at a Toyota dealership. What you can do to save some money is that little light filter. It's just a rubber boot. You can carefully peel it off the old one and just carefully roll it on this one, and you got the same thing. You saved yourself several dollars per bulb. I believe there was 4 bulbs in that instrument cluster, if my mind serves me right. Right there, that would save you $20 $30 right there, if them bulbs haven't gone up since then. So I just want to sit down for a minute to explain that. If you haven't seen that video, I'll tag it right here. You click on that tag and see it. This video will be tagged in that replacing the bulb video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.